Welcome to Logical Ayurveda. So this video is about again a subsector of Prameha, that is Prameha in which Pitta doshas and Vata dosha is more. So let us brush up the symptoms once more, which was said in the earlier video. The symptoms in which Pitta and Vata dosha are vitiated will be giddiness, Brahma, weight loss, Dhatukshaya, sleep loss, Alpanidrata, and excessive hunger, Padadaha, burning sensation in leg, numbness, that is Supti, sexual debility will be there. Chronic skin disease like psoriasis and carbuncles will be present in Pitta Vata condition, and ultimately the patient will be having Dhatukshaya. So, the trick that is in Pitta Vata Prameha is basically a Kafaja Vyadi, Kledaja Vyadi. Now, Pitta and Vata is vitiated in this particular subsector of this condition. Now, you have Kapha, you have Pitta and you have Vata. That is why this is Krichra Sadhya. You cannot at a time go on treating three doshas, but it is manageable. How to manage this condition is that if you take Pitta, the gunas of Pitta are Pittam, Sasneha Tikshnoshno, Lagu Visram, Saram Dravam. What are the rasas that reduce Pitta? Tikta Kashaya Madura. So here the Vata dosha is again vitiated. The gunas of Vata is Tatra Ruksha, Lagu Shita, Kara Sukshma, Shalo, Anila. What are the rasas that reduce Vata? Madura, Amla and Lavana. So the rasas that reduce Pitta are Tikta Kashaya Madura. The rasa that reduces Vata is Madura, Amla and Lavana. So we take common factor outside, that is Madura rasa. So we need to get Madura rasa to reduce both the Pitta and Vata at a time. But basically Prameha is Kafaja Vyadi. You give Madura rasa, ultimately the Kapha will increase, Kleda will increase, sugar level will increase. Now, this is why exactly this is Krichra Sadhya, because you cannot give Madura rasa for reducing Pitta and Vata without increasing the base dosha, that is Kapha and Kleda. So what you do is, you choose Madura rasa but not in Madura format. You choose Madura rasa in Kashaya format. You don't go for Lehya or something like that. You choose Madura rasa in Kashaya format. That is where the beauty of Ayurveda sets in. How to choose Madura rasa in Kashaya format? That is Bala Guluchadi Kashaya. Bala is having Madura rasa. Drakshadi Kashayam, Shatavaryadi Kashayam, Dhanvantaram Kashayam, Vidaryadi Kashayam. All these Kashayams and Churnas and Guligas which are having Madura rasa, which are Pitta Vata hara, but not increase Kapha so much. Such dravyas have to be selected so that we reduce all the doshas at a single stretch. Charaka clearly explained, Chikitsa is one which reduces the disease without increasing the other dosha. It reduces one disease. Our Ayurveda treatment is not based on reducing one and giving some other side effect and giving some other roga to the patient. At that time, an Ayurveda physician has to have a yukti of reducing all the symptoms of the patient, finding the exact particular amount of dosha involved and exact medicine to neutralize the dosha. We will go into treatment concept in detail, where to give what. So, what are the dravyas in Kashaya format or in Guliga Churna format that does not increase the Kapha but it reduces the Pitta and Vata? Bala Gulichadi Kashayam, Drakshadi Kashayam, Shatavaryadi Kashayam, Dhanvantaram Kashayam, Vidaryadi Kashayam. In Vatis, you have Kamaduga rasa with Mukta, Sarivadi Vati, Ashwagandhadi Vati, Vasanta Kusumakara Rasam, Shiva Guliga, Pravala Basmam, Abra Basmam, and the list goes on and on and on. So the concept is this: you should not increase Kapha or Kleda, you should reduce the Pitta Vata at the same time, you should choose such a dravya. So, and there is also one more drug which is Chavanaprasha Kashayam. Chavanaprasha, all the contents of Chavanaprash in Kashaya format, Vata format, that is by Sitaram company. You can also add that. Some patients who come to our clinic having Pitta Vata symptoms, they will be taking already allopathic medicines, biguanides like metformin. So how to differentiate? One of the main symptoms or one of the main presentation that I am able to differentiate the Pitta Vata patient is that metformin will not be much suited to them. It will cause either gastric irritation or it will cause them it will cause them low sugar often in a while, and they will not be much comfortable with the metformin. Such patients, most of the such patients I happen to found is in the Pitta Vata stage. So it is one of the easy hack to know in which stage the Prameha patient is. Going by symptoms, one by one, giddiness. I consider giddiness as Rasadhatu Kshaya. So we have to give Rasadhatu Poshana. I will choose Bala Guluchadi Kashayam and Drakshadi Kashayam. It is very excellent result in reducing giddiness. Pada Daha. Same. I choose Bala Guluchadi Kashayam, Kaishara Gugulu, Kamaduga Vati, Kamaduga with Mukta, etc. Supti. Supti is again a neurological symptom. Nadi Balya Madhura Dravyas are to be given. Bala Guluchadi Kashayam. Ashwagandhadi Vati. One thing I like about Ashwagandhadi Vati is of Avian company. It barely comes to around 70 to 1 paise. It contains Balya and Pittahara Dravyas which are very useful to the patient who cannot afford the costly Prameha treatment. It is 1 rupee tablet only, so we can comfortably prescribe to the patient. And Vasanta Kusumakara Rasam. Vasanta Kusumakara Rasam, it helps in burning sensation, it helps in Sukti. One more beautiful application of Vasanta Kusumakara is in wound healing. Chronic, non-healing, diabetic ulcer which presents for more than 3 years, 5 years, I have seen, you will definitely not believe, I have seen my patient responding to the Vasanta Kusumakara and the wound starts closing, the wound edges come together within 1 week or 10 days and the patient is very, very happy. Within 2 months, the whole wound will be closed. Such is the magic of Vasanta Kusumakara Rasam that I cannot explain. So, whenever there is a chance to use Vasanta Kusumakara Rasa in the patient of Pitta Vata Prameha and other conditions, you can directly use it. It is very, very beneficial. It is comparatively a Saumya Yoga, so there is nothing to worry about using this Rasa Aushadhis. Whenever Pitta Vata Prameha comes first to your mind, the first drug of choice should be Bala Guluchadi Kashayam along with the Vasanta Kusumakara Rasam, and next you can choose other stuff ideally. Abrabasmam is also very excellent for treating Sukti. And one of the most underrated dravyas for treating Pitta Vata Prameha or Shaija Prameha is like Shiva Guliga. What is the beauty of Shiva Guliga? Shiva Guliga contains Shilajitu, which is a Karshana Rasayana. Karshanam, it reduces the kapha at the same stage. Rasayanam, it is good for Pitta Vata also. It contains Bala Mula and Dashamula, therefore it is Balya to the patient. You can extensively use Shiva Guliga also in Pitta Vata Prameha patient. It does the job. Now, the same patient, one of the interesting patient had weight loss. So weight loss, I give all this Bala Guluchadi, Vasanta Kusumakara, Abrabasmam, etc. And along with that, I found Chavanaprasha Vata of Sitaram company to be very useful. Now, where do you give Chavanaprasha to the patient? Where he wants to put on weight, you want to have Rasayana Dhatu, Falashruti of Rasayana, that is Dhatu Balya. So, Chavanaprasha in Kashaya format increases weight of the patient when given for 3 months continuously, and it also reduces the other symptoms like Padadaha, Sukti, etc. And it is very balya. The patient will recover, they will put on weight like 4 or 5 kilos because Prameha patient usually lose protein in their urine, use albumin in the urine, so their weight will be decreased. So, lot of urine will be going out, so their weight will be decreasing. Now, you cannot directly give Lehya because weight is decreasing. You can choose Chavanaprasha in Kashaya format or Bala Guluchadi Kashayam, etc. and every other alternative that I told, which is excellent in patient putting weight again. So, you can make use of this. Whenever the patient comes with skin diseases like carbuncles and psoriasis, etc., they present with Pitta Vata symptoms, I give Mahatiktakam, Kashayam. The beauty of Mahatiktakam Kashayam is, it contains most of the Tikta Dravyas, 50%, and 50% of the Mahatiktakam Kashayam is Amalaki. So Amalaki is Amla, Madhura, Vadahara, again chosen in Kashaya format, so it reduces all the doshas and it is very useful in Pitta Vata Kushtas. And when severe burning cessation, I also make sure I add Saribadi Asavam for a little while. Even though we choose Asavam, it can be ideally used in this avastha to come out of the disease. So Mahatiktakam and Saribadi Asavam is a very good choice in skin diseases of Pitta Vata stage in Prameha. So main patient, one of the main symptoms that patient comes with is sexual debility, which is very, very common in Pitta Vata Prameha. Now, what do you do to such patients? Tell them that you need at least 3 months to correct the sexual debility because you are not giving any sildenafil citrate mixed medicines. You are giving Ayurvedic medicines that has to reach until a Shukra. From Rasadhatu, it has to go through Uttarottara Dhatu Agni and then reach Shukra. So main treatment course is at least 3 months, and definitely after 3 months they will find the difference in their sexual vigor and sexual debility, etc. So for sexual debility, I choose Shilajit. Beware of choosing Shilajit. Use only good company Shilajit, because in the name of Shilajit, most of the generic drugs that comes in Ayurveda get mixed itself with sildenafil citrate. And we are going in a very wrong way if we are using such mixed medicines. So make sure the Shilajit is very, very pure and it gives result to the patients. So you can also use Vasanta Kusumagara Rasam, Abrabasmam, Ashwagandha, etc. There is also one tablet pattern medicine in AVP, that is Ashwajit. Ashwagandha combined with Shilajit, that is having very beautiful result in sexual debility. We can use that as well. According to the condition, we can choose all these dravyas and administer to the patient. Again, Abrabasmam is also one of the excellent Abrabasmam capsule is also one of the excellent medicine that we can use in this sexual debility because of Pitta Vata Prameha. Now again, Shaya, as I told earlier, you can give Abrabasmam, you can give Chandraprabha. So both Abrabasmam and Chandraprabha, their specific use I have found is, in treatment I have found, when the albuminuria, the patient has excessive loss of protein through urine, in such conditions the combination of Chavanaprasha Vatam along with Abrabasmam and Chandraprabha is very, very useful in reducing such albuminuria, and it preserves the weight of the patient. So you can use that. When the patient comes with multiple joint pain, you can also use Balagulisya Kashayam, Kaishara Gugulu, or you can use Danvantaram Kashayam along with the Kaishara Gugulu. So you can also use in extreme debility, extreme weight loss, you can directly use Danvantar Kritam. Danvantar Kritam is also an extremely very useful and good choice of drug in Pitta Vata Prameha. And you do not have to worry about using Grita directly, because at this condition, at this avastha, Grita becomes very, very necessary. There are particular conditions where you have to choose aristas like Saribadi Asavam, because Saribadi Asavam is directly indicated in Prameha Pidakas. There are many conditions where we have to use Lekhyas, where we have to use Asava Aristas, where we have to use Grita. But that should be considered according to the patient avastha. See, even in allopathy, even in contemporary science, when the patient has low sugar, sugar only should be given. So, if the patient needs Lekhya, or if the patient needs Grita, or if the patient needs Asava Arishta, based on avastha, depending on the avastha, you have to give all the certain drugs. You can break the rule to treat the patient. So, that marks the end of Pitta Vata Pramehas. If you have any doubts, you can put it down in a comment section, so we'll be happy to help you. And we will also be happy to know that the Vaidyas who viewed our early sessions have messaged us with a lot of gratitude, telling that we have given such medicine in such patients and we have found a lot of cure, etc. We are also very happy to hear that. And if you have a success story after listening to the classes on the logical Ayurveda, so you please be happy to share it, so that keeps us motivated to put our 100% effort, to put an extra effort to give knowledge to you people. So our team of Vaidyas will be very happy and motivated to deliver that. So please do that, and like, share and subscribe for Logical Ayurveda.